Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to close or delete your Mailchimp account. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password, checking that I'm not a robot and click on login. Click on your profile icon from this corner and select account and billing. Click on settings from this menu and go to manage my plan. Scroll down to the bottom and click on delete my account button. Before deleting your account, I recommend you to export your data. Maybe you may need it. Click on continue to delete. As you can see, your account will be permanently deleted and your data will be lost. Now confirm your account password by filling it here. After that, fill in the delete word here using upper cases and hit this permanently delete red button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. I won't click on this red button because I don't need to permanently delete my account. After that, they will display you a success message to let you know that your account has been deleted. And this is how to delete your Mailchimp account. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.